Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is unlocked and Bluetooth is enabled in settings. Tap Bluetooth, then flip the switch on. You do this because the radio must be active to scan. Once done, put the accessory into pairing mode. Follow its specific steps, because iPhone only lists devices broadcasting pairing. Make sure airplane mode is off and that devices are nearby. These steps reduce interference and speed up discovery, so you can see the accessory appear on the list. You now tap the accessory name under Other Devices. This initiates the handshake. If a PIN or code appears, enter it exactly or confirm the numeric code shown. This verifies identity and prevents wrong pairings. While the iPhone connects, watch the status change to Connected. This indicates the Bluetooth profile negotiated successfully. If the accessory supports multiple profiles, make sure the correct one, audio, keyboard, etc., is active. This ensures the device will function as intended after pairing completes. You finish by testing the connection. Play a song or type to confirm the accessory responds. If it doesn't, make sure the accessory is charged and in range, then forget the device in settings and pair again. This clears stale profiles. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart the iPhone and the accessory. Rebooting resets radios and resolves most intermittent issues. If problems persist, update iOS or accessory firmware, because compatibility fixes often arrive in software updates and restore reliable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.